Bay going out to Breezy Point where Deb Farrick was. Cell phone service in and out and intermittent, as well as just what you all can imagine are the lights on city streets when there's no Woo!